Mobile payment generally refer to payment services operated under financial regulation and performed from or via a mobile device. Instead of paying with cash, check, or credit cards, a consumer can use a mobile to pay for a wide range of services and digital or hard goods. Although the concept of using non-coin-based currency systems has a long history, it is only in the 21st century that the technology to support such systems has become widely available. Mobile payment is being adopted all over the world in different ways. The first patent exclusively defined mobile payment system was filed in 2000. In developing countries, mobile payment solutions have been deployed as a means of extending financial services to the community known as the unbanked or underbanked, which is estimated to be as much as 50% of the world's adult population. According to Financial Access 2009 report, half the world is unbanked. These payment networks are often used for micropayments. The use of mobile payments in developing countries has attracted public and private funding by organizations such as the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, United States Agency for International Development, and Mercy Corps. Mobile payments are becoming a key instrument for payment service providers and other market participants in order to achieve new growth opportunities. According to the European Payments Council, the EPC states that new technology solutions provide a direct improvement to the operations efficiency, ultimately resulting in cost savings and in an increase in business volume. There are 5 primary models for mobile payments. There can be combinations. Financial institutions and credit card companies as well as internet companies such as Google and a number of mobile communication companies, such as mobile network operators and major telecommunications infrastructure such as WHA from Orange, and smartphone multinationals such as Ericsson and BlackBerry have implemented mobile payment solutions. A mobile wallet is an app that contains your debit and credit card information so that users can pay for goods and services digitally by using their mobile devices. Notable mobile wallets include, generally, this is the process. First payment, subsequent payments. Requesting a PIN is known to lower the success rate for payments. These systems can be integrated with directly or can be combined with operator and credit card payments through a unified mobile web payment platform. A simple mobile web payment system can also include a credit card payment flow allowing a consumer to enter their card details to make purchases. This process is familiar, but any entry of details on a mobile phone is known to reduce the success rate of payments. In addition, if the payment vendor can automatically and securely identify customers, then card details can be recalled for future purchasers, turning credit card payments into simple single-click to buy, giving higher conversion rates for additional purchases. However, there are concerns regarding information and payment privacy when cards are used during online transactions. If a website is not secure, for example, then personal credit card info can leaked online. The consumer uses the mobile billing option during checkout at an e-commerce site, such as an online gaming site, to make a payment. After two-factor authentication involving the consumer's mobile number and a PIN or one-time password, the consumer's mobile account is charged for the purchase. It is a true alternative payment method that does not require the use of credit, debit cards or pre-registration at an online payment solution such as PayPal, thus bypassing banks and credit card companies altogether. This type of mobile payment method, which is prevalent in Asia, provides the following benefits. In the predominant model for SMS payments, the consumer sends a payment request via an SMS text message or an USSD to a short code, and a premium charge is applied to their phone bill or their online wallet. The merchant involved is informed of the payment success and can then release the paid for goods. Since a trusted physical delivery address has typically not been given, these goods are most frequently digital, with the merchant replying using a multimedia messaging service to deliver the purchased music, ringtones, wallpapers, etc. A multimedia messaging service can also deliver barcodes which can then be scanned for confirmation of payment by a merchant. This is used as an electronic ticket for access to cinemas and events or to collect hard goods. Transactional payments by SMS have been popular in Asia and Europe and are now accompanied by other mobile payment methods, such as mobile web payments, mobile payment client, and direct mobile billing. Inhibiting factors of premium SMS include, even as the volume of premium SMS transactions have flattened, many cloud-based payment systems continue to use SMS for presentment, authorization, and